way too rich to drive a Rolls. Made a milli out the stove. She like to put it in her nose. Pretty bitch with white toes. I done put her all the bros. I done put her in the road. I done put up in the ghost. I done reached all my goals. Yeah, pull up with Yeezy and dollar sign. I'm all about business, I'm man to man. Pull up in the trees like Caliban. Pull up with a record like number 9. I don't want your hoes. Your nigga reach all the goals. Let her suck the dick, said she was a pro. She straight with teeth, I'ma tell her to go. Go, 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 go. Hair so good, she on the road. She ride a dick like a carnival.
Yo.
Impossible. Go, 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 go. Hair so good, she on the road.
How we doing? What's good? How's everyone doing? Oh, let me change the server. Yo. Turn this down a little bit. How's everyone doing? Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. How's everyone doing this morning? What's good, Noodle Holtz, Crypto Maniac, Didzy, what's good? Eugene and the boy, Spion. How's everyone doing? What's good? Everyone come say hello. What's good? Come say good morning. I want to see everyone. See who's here. How's everyone doing? Jonathan, what's good, bro? What's good? Jonathan Johannes, what's good? How is everyone doing on this lovely morning? It's a nice day. Good day for some pips. Yeah, man. We pushed in Asian today and early London. So, anyone catch anything? Anyone catch any trades? What are we looking at? 12.6 stone this morning. You know, kind of crazy. That is kind of crazy. Yo, what's good, Sexy? What's good, Spion? Full power, lad. What's good? Cool, chat. So, good morning. Hope everyone had a good day yesterday. It was a no trade day for me, actually. So, no trades even after stream. I got nothing. So, if you got something and you took a dub, then GG's. If you stayed patient, didn't take anything, then congrats. And if you took a loss, then hopefully you learned a lesson from it, alright? Hopefully it was a learning experience rather than just a mistake on your behalf. But yeah, cool, chat. I got my coffee this morning again, so we're going to be locked in. I got the, look at that, the premium ass mug there. You lot don't know about Emma Bridgewater mugs. Come on. Premium. No, I'm joking. Cool, chat. Let's do this analysis. Let's get into this and see what's going on. Is the music too loud? Or is it okay? Let me know. I think we're good, right? Malenko, what's good? You got my name on it and everything, I know. Crazy. Yeah, lock in, chat. Look at that mug. Hey, you can't call me a mug. You call him a mug. But yeah, chat, cool. Very good. Let's look at the weekly. So we're starting to reject here a little bit. We are starting to reject a little bit. So we tapped into the daily level that we expected to tap into at 22.91. That was our plan 2 days ago, right? We expected that to happen, and it did happen to a T. Now, this daily has come down and grabbed the bottom wick and flipped. Previous daily did close bearish, so at any given point as well, this can just rip down. But however, if we did start to see closures coming back above this level here, I could expect us to come back up and retest all-time highs and attempt that weekly flip. However, it is now Thursday, right, chat? It's Thursday, so is it going to be too late for that weekly to flip? Maybe, right? It's getting tight. Unless news today pushes us. We do have news today, right? Let me check. I believe we have we have GDP news and home sales, and unemployment claims too, of course. So yeah, we have all of that going on. So can we, in that case, come and flip up with the volume that news brings potentially, right? Let me change this title to unemployment claims because that's way more of a clickbait than GDP news. Unemployment claims. Cool. We'll change it to that. Nice. So, yeah, that's what we're looking at in terms of the news and the weekly and the daily. Now, I do believe we can start to come up here, and we already are starting to come up. So, what can we look for? Well, on the 4 hour, we actually have no bottom wick, which is interesting. But we did tap into this level as we discussed yesterday. Remember, guys, I was telling you about this play where we tap into the level and push up no bottom wick, exactly like we did get, the other day. Similar play to what I've been looking to sample size. I was telling the boys in the coaching group about it yesterday. We're going to start looking at that and collecting some data, so that should be interesting. I do believe we can come up here. Now, on the 1 hour, what do we have here? This looks a bit like a fake out. So if we were to have our range here, right, this would be now a range 1 fake out. looking for range 2 to get buys on gold here, since we were bearish yesterday. So that means I believe that any closure above 23.25 right now can take us up a little bit further. And because of that, let me see what this range is. Because of that, we'll be okay to take buys, purely because we've broken out of now 1 range, 2 range, and then that'll be, yeah, range 2. So once we break out of that, should be good to continue upwards. Now, in terms of sells, we'll have to look for a closure below this level now. So essentially, any closures down here below 23.13 will be good for us to catch sells. Can we be a bit more aggressive with it? Let me drop to the 30 and see. If we want to be a little bit more aggressive, what are we going to have to look for? What are we going to have to look for? Essentially, there's probably a level down here, which we've now closed above. That is interesting. Obviously, we can't take the buys here, I don't believe, because, yeah, the range is just not enough for me. But, yeah, you could have taken the buys, I suppose, if this 30 did flip, but it hasn't. So, yeah, nothing there for us at the minute. We're also tapping into this sort of rejection level here, so I'd rather wait for the closure above, if that makes sense to you guys. But yeah, in terms of sells, if we do close back below this this level here at 23.20, we'll look to take those as well, depending on how price forms. But yeah, chat, hopefully that makes sense to you guys. Essentially, we've looked to catch the well, we've had a fake out, and now we're looking to catch the continuation to the upside. That makes sense. Hopefully hopefully the analysis makes sense. If it doesn't, chat, then let me know. I'll try and run through some stuff again. Other than that, good morning. Welcome to the stream. Sit back and enjoy yourself. And then yeah, I'll tell you when to lock in. Cool. Drop a like, chat, as well if you did enjoy that analysis. Let's try and get to 50 likes right now. That'd be sick. Really cool. Yesterday was actually the peak viewers that we've ever had on stream, which is crazy. 261. It's a lot of people. Maybe it doesn't seem like it because, you know, some people get a lot more, but 261 people in one room is a big room. It's a big room, so I appreciate you guys for that. Very much. Time for us to lock in again, though. Get some pips, maybe. See if we can do that. Yeah, the reason why I can't take this buys right now is because firstly, the range isn't really big enough, and secondly, we're tapping into this overall level here at like, there's a minor level, sorry, at 23.23. So we'll wait for the closure above. That's the cleaner play, and then yeah, we'll take it. I think it's because you stay on longer, bro. Yeah, it is. Full power lad, apologies. I was meant to get back to you yesterday, but I was so busy. I'll reply to your DM after stream again. That's my bad. Morning. May I ask how you set the rectangle tool to go from one end to the other? Yeah, I got you. So you do the rectangle as normal, right? And then you double click on it, or you click settings up here, and then go to style, and then it's extend right, extend left, and it will do it the whole way of the entire chart. If you want, you can put a middle line too, but. That's how you do it. That's how we do it. Crazy chat. So, yesterday I spent the whole day recording a day in the life of a Forex trader video again. So I'm going to bring that series back. It's going to be, I'm pretty excited for it. I can't lie. I'm pretty excited. I think yesterday's video was crazy. Me and the boy Joe hit a big back workout. And then I got on the charts as well for you guys in that video. So it should be good, should be educational. And yeah, it just gives you an insight into my life, basically. Get to know me a little bit more. But yeah, that should be coming out soon, if I can edit it. Because it's got about 3 hours of footage. What's good, Josh? How are we doing? What's good? What is good? A lot of potential today, chat. I think we're going to get some volume as well, especially from the news coming in later. Should bring some volume. I also just bought a brand new camera, which is going to be coming on the weekend, I believe. It'll come on probably like Saturday or Sunday. I can't wait for that, chat. Cannot wait. Content's going to be next level now. It's going to be insane. And then I'll do as many daily vlogs as possible. I'll try and spam them out. But yeah, definitely potential here, chat. So we got 26 minutes to this 30-minute closure now. The 30 did just close, you know, weak bearish, let's say. Setting up a little celery play. I can't really take it right now because of these resistances that we have, these rejection levels. It's a bit choppy in this range. But yeah. Dr. Malik, what's good? Welcome back, bro. Congratulations on the camera. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you. Welcome back to the stream. Ranko, what's good, bro? And Gabriel, how we doing? Good morning, good morning. How's everyone getting on? Hope it's a prosperous day for you all. Chat, once again, I forgot to set up the Zoom. It's a classic. It's a classic play. Let me set that up right now. That is yeah, the classic SG stream move, I would say. What's good, Goldie? How you doing? What's good? What's good? Chris ROI. Cool name. If that's your surname, that's a cool surname. If it's like Roy or something, and I've just read it as ROI, but let me send out this Zoom link real quick, chat. I'll just send that out now. For anyone in the coaching group to join the Zoom. But yeah, cool. That's done. Aguante SG. What's good? Welcome back, Goldie. How's your account going, Goldie? Hopefully, they sorted that shit out. Hi Sam, could I send you my chart for you to have a look at? Yes, you can do that. Send me it on Discord or put it in the Do I have a charts for stream section? I need a charts for stream channel. I can do that, yeah. Cool. Yeah, send it to me. I'll take a look for sure. ROI is a French name, means king. Oh, Roy. Yeah, I keep saying ROI. Yeah, no, I know that. Yeah, that makes sense. I do remember that actually now that you say it. But yeah, I don't know. I just read it as ROI. Good shit. Yeah, this would be nice. I would send my in my chart too. Okay, cool. Yeah, let me do that now. Charts for stream. Create channel. Yeah, there you go, chat. There's a charts for stream channel right now in the text channels. I just added it. So if you want to send your charts in for me to take a look at, you can send them in there. Good shout there, guys. Good shout. I always appreciate any suggestions or any improvements to the Discord. So never feel, you know, afraid to suggest stuff. I love that. I love that. Nice chat. So it's coming to the end of the week. It's been a bit of a slow week for me, I'm not gonna lie. I think I've only got one trade this week, if I'm not wrong. I do believe I've only got one trade this week, which is fine. Just a bit of a slower week, but sometimes that's part of the game. We're staying disciplined, right? Make sure if you're coming to the end of the week, if you well, actually, regardless of where your account is sat, you need to remain disciplined, right? If you're winning, if you're in profit for the week, stay disciplined so that you don't throw it away right at the end of the week and, you know, mess that up. And if you're losing, stay disciplined so you don't end up blowing accounts or making the loss even worse. And if you're BE and frustrated because you haven't got a trade all week, then keep your patience in check. Don't try and force anything towards the end of the week. It doesn't matter if you don't get a trade for an entire week. What's your Discord channel so I can send? If you want to know anything, you can just do exclamation mark and then the word. Normally that's the command. So yeah, that's about to send the Discord link in for you there. Just sent it. Yeah, I'll check in a sec. Morning, bro. What's good, AJ? How we doing? Craig, what's good? Good morning. Good morning. Abby, how we doing? Morning. Yeah, chat. Leave a like. Leave a like if you haven't already. Let's try to get to 50 likes real quick. Morning from US. Crazy. Welcome, Luke. What's good? Morning. Yeah, chat. This is a camera I ordered right now. Hang on. Need to hide some. Does it show my address? Oh, it does. Hang on. Yeah, this is the camera I ordered right now. Oh shit, it did it anyway. I mean, I lowered the screen to hide the address, but yeah, it is what it is. This camera's sick, chat. It's so good for daily vlogging and that. And in the gym, it will follow me around, so I don't need to have a videographer all the time. It's gonna be sick. I can't wait. Good morning, Atomic Habit. What's good? What's good? Good afternoon, Sam from India. What's good, Austin Martin? What's good? How we doing? How we doing? It looks mad crazy. Yeah, it's sick. It's sick. Morning, Mia. Welcome back. How are you? How are you? But yeah, it's a cool camera. I'm looking forward to it. It's got some sick features that I want to use for like daily vlogs and gym content and shit like that. So, and when I go traveling as well, like I don't want to be carrying around some big ass camera. But I'm gonna be, you know, well, obviously I travel quite a lot, so we can get some cool ass footage for that. Morning, boss. What's good, Morgan? How we doing? Renato. Name's so nice. They said it twice. What's good? Good morning from Hungary in Budapest. Crazy. I want to go to Budapest soon. Budapest is meant to be really nice. Yeah, we could push up here. This is a celery play forming. If you watch the course, this is actually a pretty good celery play. I can't lie. This could push up to the top of the range. However, we don't have that much room, right? We'd have to take the entry here, and by the time we're at the top of the range, it's 18 pips. Not enough for me, so we're gonna wait and see if we close above this next range here now. 4-hour close is coming in 1 hour and 20 minutes. I'm great, just at my freelance job. I've been here this week, just lurking quietly. Yeah, nah, all good, all good. Nah, never a problem if you're busy, everyone. Then obviously you don't have to be in chat, but appreciate you lurking anyway. What's the plan? We're waiting for some closures outside these ranges, as we discussed. So essentially, just once we get closures outside the range, we'll take the positions. The first rejection level up here is 30 pips away. Should expect us to fill the range up here to the top at 23.30. If we do close above, that is. Oh. You the best trader, bro? Definitely not, but I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Thank you for the compliment. I just take a couple of pips now and then. That's all I do. Cool. Cool. What have I been doing at the gym today? I'm filming some content actually, with a guy on Instagram. I don't know what we'll train actually. I've got no clue. What are you doing, Ranko? Yeah, that's a good question though. What's everyone doing at the gym today, chat? Let me know. Hang on. Cool, chat. Cool. Today is neck and shoulder day for me. Crazy. Tyler will be happy. Tyler will be happy. What about you? Yeah, no clue. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what we're training actually. I don't know. Jan will have to tell me. What? Do you trade off stream also? Yes, of course. I trade in the signals group that I have, and then off stream. Every trade that I ever take is taken in front of an audience. So like either the signals group or stream. So yeah. Going mad today. I'm doing 20k for the first time. 20k run. Crazy. GG's, bro. Good stuff. Well done. That's going to be fire. You're going to kill it, I'm sure. I'm sure you got this. Just curious, why not buy above 2320 when it breaks the high? Here. Because, firstly, we're in the range. And we'd already made this closure by the time that I got on stream, so it's a bit iffy. Secondly, there's a rejection level here. A minor rejection level around this area, right? 23.23, 23.4. So it's just it looks a bit chopped for me. It could fill the range here, but I'd rather wait for this closure above, especially since we the advantage point here is only like 17 pips, whereas if we wait for the closure above, the advantage point is at least 30. So you know, a lot more to take advantage of, I would say. Question is, how high does the daily come up before if it wants to flip, or does it start to retrace here? That's the question. How are the Apex accounts going? Yeah, good question. I still haven't traded the other ones, but I mean, one of them is passed, and then I've got 2 left. So out of the 5 that I bought, 2 past 1, 2 are still waiting. So not too bad, but yeah, I haven't been trading them recently. I've been a bit busy, I can't lie. And to be fair, this week I got no trades anyway. Oh, 1 trade. Nice, bro. Yeah, cheers. I need to activate it, actually. I need to pay the activation fee and then try and trade the live account, to be honest. I'll activate it after stream. Apex's futures prop firm, yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir. I've been testing out futures a little bit. But I don't know. It's an interesting one. Good to see a push here, chat. No FOMO. It's not our trade again. My go. What's good, Jay? How you doing? Welcome back. Welcome back. Oh. Might have to double up on the coffee this morning, chat. I got no sleep last night. I was working away till like 2, 3 a.m. Woke up at 7. I suppose it's a decent amount. 5 hours, 4 hours, but I like my 8 hours, I can't lie. Have you taken your new tropics? Yeah, actually I didn't take them today, I can't lie. I need to go take them. We need to talk about that as well, Eugene. I need to figure some stuff out regarding that. You recommend futures or CFD prop firm? What's your opinion? I recommend for beginners as well. It's way better for Forex. Forex prop firms are way easier. Futures prop firms are hard to pass. They got trailing drawdown on that. So what I would say is go to Alpha Capital, use code SG, get yourself 20% off. At the minute, actually, I think ACG have got 35% off still on. They did it for like a day. They did it for a day last night. I think it still might be running. So if you want to go get an account for like 35% off, then go grab that. Click my link, sign up, grab an account. Let me just check their Discord for you guys in case you want to grab one. Yeah, Alpha for life. If you want to grab an ACG account, use code Alpha for life. You get 35% off. That's a crazy discount. That's a crazy discount. Anyway, chat. Moving on from the prop firm space. We're traders regardless of whether there's props or not. Some people can only trade props. We can trade live accounts too. So yeah, that's not all that trading is about, right? You need to be able to pass a live too. Lee. I've got streamer mode on. I need to disable streamer mode real quick to show these. Yeah, Leron sent his chart in. So let's look at these charts actually whilst we got a little bit of time. Why not? Yo. Bruv, what just happened? Crazy. Oh, there's my home screen, guys. No background is crazy, I know. Don't chat to me about it. Don't chat to me about it. Gotta give you props for that smooth transition. I appreciate it. Yeah. I can't get this over onto the screen. Okay, cool. So, Leroy, this is your chart. I like it. I like it. You've negated this fake out. That's good. Yeah, just push this up to the top of that range there. Like push the white line up to the top of the level. And then make your squares a little bit smaller. And then your rectangles a little bit smaller because you're taking out quite a lot of pips right now. It's like 10 pips of range that you're taking out. So you take that out. But the levels are good. The levels are perfect. I like that. That's definitely a good chart. Be on someone in. It's just eurjpy. That is clean. I'd probably have this level here. Let me get my drawing tools real quick. I'd probably put this level here instead of this one, to be honest. It depends how big this gap is though between here and here, but yeah, it's pretty clean. Your level's also valid, right? So don't worry about it. If you don't want to change it, then don't. Obviously, you don't have to listen to me. If this is a big enough gap for you to take a trade in before you get to this rejection area here, then do that. If not, I'd probably move it to this level right here. But yeah, nah, good stuff. We had one more, right? Oh yeah, I can't analyze this chart, my boy, unfortunately, because it's not the strategy I trade, right? If it's the strategy I trade, I can give it a go, but yeah, I don't trade that strat, so unfortunately, I can't tell you whether it's good or not. But yeah, no, both of those charts were clean, very, very clean. I like it. Big dubs for the community. Everyone's leveling up. I love to see it. Everyone in the community that has been here for a long time is steadily getting better. It's really crazy to see to me, you know. Oh, check gold. Wow, yeah, that was kind of mad. Well, did you have a little push just up there? Oh yeah, cool. Up to this level now, chat. So still enough we can do, right? Yeah, no bottom wick on that 5 as well. We need a closure above, to be honest, chat. But there's nothing I can do till this to the 1 hour closes in 8 minutes. But if we do close above here, then we'll look to take a trade for sure. For sure. It shouldn't be too bad either. If we can use the 1 hour for stops, what are we looking at in terms of stops? It's like what, 50, 60 pips? We close up here, 60 pips, something like that. Decent. Yeah. So some potential here, chat. Lock it in for a little bit. We've got 7 minutes to this 1 hour closure. If we close above, we'll look to take this to the continuation to the top of the range. If we don't, we won't, obviously. We'll wait to see this closure, and then, yeah. Tom Lanigan, what's good, bro? Welcome back. Penne bolognese for dinner. That sounds banging. Sounds good. Sounds actually really good. SG, do you prefer MT5 or C Trader? I'm an MT5 kind of guy. I know a lot of people that like C Trader. Jan was actually showing me on C Trader, you can set like an auto break even point. So if you get up by like 10 or 12, or you can set it to whatever it is, right? But let's say you set it to 12 pips. If you go up in a trade by 12 pips, it'll automatically move your stop loss to break even. That's crazy. So you could sample size that, and you know, you could sample size how many pips your average break even point is and all that stuff. And then yeah, you could just place trades and forget about them. Let them run till TP. And set multiple TPs on C Trader too. Oh, that is cool. That is cool. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, that is good. Crazy how we chart the same. Yeah, I know. It's funny, right? It's actually funny. ISG, would you have taken the fake out if you'd been on the charts? Probably not, because it's range 1, but I probably would have taken this closure above here. But this was just before stream. I saw it and I was like, I didn't want to be in a trade whilst well, I wouldn't have been able to start stream until, you know, it was over. So and you lot would have heard the MT5 noise, so you would have known as well. I was thinking about jumping on and being quickly like, bye now, but I didn't do it. But yeah, I'll move my level to here, actually. It's a pretty good point. We can just use this as a fake out, assume this was a fake out, and then, yeah, any closures below there we can take. 1 hour bottom wick would be nice. Yeah, close above here in 5 minutes would be beautiful. Exactly like this. 1 hour bottom wick, flip. We'll take that to fill to the top of the range any day of the week. But we do need a bottom wick, chat. If we don't get that bottom wick, I can't take anything. You lot might get frustrated if you're new. You might be like, what is he doing? Why does he keep not taking the trades? Whatever. But we need that bottom wick. Really and truly, we need the bottom wick. Let's see. We'll put our break-even point around this area here for the meantime. If it does fill that before, then we'll move it up a little bit. But 23, 27 flat is not a bad break-even point. That would put us at like 15 pips profit. But of course, chat, we need to close above first. We need to close above. 4 minutes to this closure. Oh. 5 minutes bottom wick here, chat. Interesting, interesting. I always remember volume like that excites people to catch people out when the confirmations are not solid. Yeah, 100%. That's why we wait for the closures, right? Until the candle's closed, it's absolutely zero confirmation. So we have to wait for those closures and yeah. Chat, leave a like if you haven't already. We've got 4 minutes for this closure. Lock it in. We'll try and catch a trade here if we can. And yeah, let's try to get to 75 likes right now. I appreciate it massively. That'd be huge. It really does boost us. We're trying to grow as a community in general, right? So the more we grow, the more I can pump out content for you guys. That 5 minute bottom wick, yeah, I know, bro. I know. It's clean. If I traded on the 5, I'd probably be in there. But we don't trade on the 5, so. I have a good feeling about today. Ah, you jinxed it now, my boy. Nah, I'm joking, I'm joking. Good stuff. Positive vibes, right? Positive vibes. I like it. Monday to Wednesday was a manipulation phase. Yeah, potentially. Potentially. I wonder if this is the start of the continuation here. So we've had the pullback. Do we get the continuation now? Maybe. I think anytime, once we do close above 23.33 or 23.34, let's say, once we closed above there, then we should be very good to continue upwards. We'll look to take some positions, maybe some daily swing positions, I don't know, to continue on to the upside. We'll see though. 2 minutes this closure now, chat. We need this 5 minute to flip here. I can see it happening already. I can see it happening already because it's done it before. I can see it closing below right now like this and then pushing all the way up without giving us a closure above. But if it does that, then there's nothing we can do, right? There's nothing we can do. We have to stay patient and wait for the next closures. 2 minutes though. Lock it in, chat. Lock it in. I closed 13 pips on the 30-minute break of the highs. Good stuff, Dan. Good stuff. Yeah, that was a good trade. That was a good trade. This would be so mad. It's possible. Possible, bro. Or it closes no top wick, eh? We'll see. Also, don't want to get caught in a fake out here, chat, so I can't take anything off the rip. We have to take a bottom wick first and then a continuation. One minute though, chat. Seems to be hanging around here a little bit. Let's see what we do. Definitely potential though, so stay locked. Oh, stay locked in. Someone's just taking my account. Rest in peace, guys. Rest in peace. Yeah, no. So, what are we looking at for stops? 50, 60 pips? Yeah, okay. Cool, cool, cool. Can we close above in 1 minute's time? Let's see. It flipped a little bit. It flipped up and then just came straight back down. So we're hovering a little bit here. 50 seconds. 50 secondos. Sent a source chart in the Discord, secret hedge fund source. This is going to be something ridiculous. I'll check after this closure. Cool, chat. Let's see what we do here. 30 seconds. Can we close above here, get a bottom wick, and get an entry for this trade? Let's see. Let's see, let's see. Yeah, buys. It would be a buy. But not yet. We have to wait for the closure. Bro, we're hovering around here. I've got a feeling, chat, that we push no bottom wick here. Hopefully not, but I've got a feeling. As the Black Eyed Peas once said. We can start pulling back around now. That would be incredible. No bottom wick. Let's see. Let's see what we do here, chat. Let's see if we can come down and get a bottom wick quickly. We need to come down a little bit further. How many pips is this? Okay, chat, cool. I'm going to have a buy stop here on the break of these highs. So placing a buy stop right now, chat, on the break of this candle high right here. If we do break this high, I do believe we should continue to push to the top of the range. If we don't, chat, if this trade ends up being a loser, you took the trade, not me. So you need to understand that you're personally responsible for your own trades. If we take a win, then you take the glory as well, right? But if we take a loss, then you have to share in that with me, unfortunately. Only a part of the game to take a loss, so yeah, let's see. But no, we should be able to push up here, chat. Let's see if we can break these highs. Remember to account for spread. So account for spread here. I'm not activated yet, chat. I have a buy stop that is not activated, it's pending. So I'm not in yet, chat. Buy stop brackets not activated. Still not activated, chat. We started to flip up here, but I'm not activated yet. I'll tell you guys when I do get activated. But let's see. Remember to manage risk appropriately. You know, this trade shouldn't make or break you. It should not make or break you. You shouldn't be any, you know, you shouldn't be rich after this trade, and you shouldn't be broke after this trade. But let's see here. Can we get activated and get a little push up? Okay, chat. I got activated here. Got activating buyers right now. Can we push up? Let's see. Let's see here, chat. Remember to manage risk appropriately. We're going to go break even right down here at this point. Not down here. Up here at 23.27 is the break even point. Let's see if we can break these highs one more time and push up to that point. Let's see. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Need some volume to kick in too here, chat. Need some volume, that's key. That's key, that's key, that's key. Let's see, can we push up here? Okay, chat, I'm going to move stops to break even right now, making this a risk-free trade. I'm also going to be closing 50% of this trade right here at 10 pips. So that is a dub, 10 pips secured. We're going to let the rest of this try and run out. But 10 pips secured here, chat. Big W's. Actually, that was a bit more. We just secured, yeah, a bit more than 10 pips, I can't lie. I'll have to check at the end, but that's a W. Congratulations to you guys. Let's let this run if we can. We'll see how far we can go up here. We might close some more partials at this level and then let the rest run to the top of the range. Or we'll let the entire thing run. I'm going to put my TP actually, TP up here at... Where should we put the TP? Let me just look. 2328.9 is going to be the TP. So 2328.9 is just here. GG's to yourselves, chat. Big W's. That is another win in the books for you guys. We've secured half here. We're sat currently 15 pips in profit. So if you do want to secure the whole trade, you can now. I'm gonna try and let this run. Let's see. See if we can push up a bit further here, chat. You should fill this range right now. Okay, cool, chat. Good. I'm going to close full here at 23 pips right now. GG's, chat. GG's. Big W's again. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. Secured 22 pips, actually. My bad. 22 pips there. Close full. GG's, chat. Let me get a quick story for that real quick. Let me get a quick story, guys. Spam some dubs for me if you can. Spam some dubs. 1 second. Cool, chat. Perfect. Appreciate you all very, very much. Appreciate you all very, very much. Let me just check this and I'll post it and then we'll come back. Yeah, that was full TP hit, chat. I can't lie. So GG's. GG's to you guys. If you held till TP, that's fair enough. I'm happy with my 23 pips. Put it on the old chat, on the old text channel here. What do we get? 23 pips. G to the G's, chat. Wow. If you took that, congratulate yourselves, right? Congratulate yourselves if you took that. You can take all the glory for that trade. You press the buttons, not me. So yeah, GG's. If anyone wants to understand the trade a little bit more, then you can. This could run as well, chat, but you know, no FOMO here. We take our profits and we run, right? But chat, the key thing is here. We stayed disciplined yesterday, right? Remember, we were looking for a trade all day yesterday. We didn't get it. And now we got one just now. And yeah, secured that dub. So G to the G's to you guys. Discipline pays off as always. As always, chat. Wow. Let me just post this story real quick and then yeah. Let me post this. So what link do I want to do? I'm gonna link the stream record. Actually, I'll link the YouTube stream. That's probably better. GG's, chat. GG's. Any questions about the trade? Shout them now. Took the exact same trade, range 2 breakout, baby. Yes, sir, Bedge. That was a bread and butter play. Bread and butter. I might be calling it a week here, chat. I can't lie. Why was that the BE point? Good question. Good question. Let me post this real quick and then I'll answer it. %100% win rate continues, chat. 100% win rate continues. Let's go. Pip and dippers coming in like crazy. I can't lie, chat. I can't lie. We dropped some views here, but it's all good. You lot catch the trades and then you dip, but I don't care. That's fine. So yeah, full TP was hit actually. What was full TP? Was it 22? Yeah, it was 0.9. So that would have given us. I mean, that would have given us like 28, 30 pips. Weren't we on the flip down here? Yeah, something like that. But no, all good. All good. No FOMO here, chat. No shoulda, coulda, woulda. Yeah, cool. I got 5% still running. Nice, Jay. Good stuff. Good stuff. What were the confirmations behind this trade? Good point. So yeah, BE point here was there's a minor level on the 30-minute and there's a 30-minute level here and here. On the 1 hour too, it's a where was that? I'm pretty sure there was a level here somewhere. Yeah, here there was a level here. So yeah, we just wanted to get break even as soon as possible, not as soon as possible, but at the relevant level there. So yeah, because of that, we went break even. The confirmations on this trade were that we've come down and grabbed liquidity on this 4 hour, previous 1 hours, baked below the range. We actually broke out of 1, 2, now 3 bullish ranges, right? So we're essentially continuing a bullish trend, and when you do break into the next range, the probability is that you are going to fill that range 80 to 90% of the time. So we waited for that bottom wick, waited for a flip down and a continuation upwards. And yeah, we got in, took the trade, we got the bottom wick that we wanted. 22 pips secured, and then yeah, we could have let it run to a full TP. Full TP was probably actually up here. But yeah, GG's, absolute GG's. Let me check if the signal sent properly. Let me check if that signal sent properly. Yeah, I think it did, right? Fire, 22 pips secured, absolutely fire. Perfecto. I love that. It sends the little screenshot of your trade in too from MT5. That's it. Cool, chat. Why not trail runners below each 5-minute candle in case price continues? I don't like trailing runners. That's not my not really my style. Also, this 5-minute closed with no top wick, so that's an indication of a rejection. WW took my 1%. What's good, GG? How we doing? What's good? What's good? Oh, big dubs, chat. Big dubs today. Patience paid off. Indeed, indeed it did. AB trader, I appreciate it. Appreciate it. Yeah, patience paid off. But yeah, in terms of trailing runners, the reason why is exactly what just happened here, right? We would have just got stopped out here below where we were, where we actually took profits. So that's why I don't like trailing runners, because sometimes you just grab liquidity and then continue. So yeah, the Dark Lord is here to punish the pip and dippers. Yeah, all good, all good. It's bound to happen, right? It's bound to happen. Now the question is, do we stay on stream? Only 9 o'clock, chat. It's crazy early. That is crazy early. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, Park DK, SG, sorry, I can't hold any more than 2 pips. What's good, DK? How we doing? Yeah, bro, you gotta hold them trades, bro. I'll take you 2 pips and run, who cares? Let's go, chat, though. If you took that trade with me, GG's. Congratulate yourselves. Hopefully, we started off your morning in a very nice way. Hopefully, you started off your morning in a very nice way. And yeah, that's, that was it. Good trade. I need to get a video made of that real quick. Yeah, mad. Cool. That's I'm gonna make that into the day of the live video as well for today's. Cool. Yeah, but chat, also remember to journal that trade. So if you don't know what the trade was, I'll journal it in front of you right now. But make sure you journal your trades to collect the data. So on the stream and signals, what are we looking at so far? Little off rip trade. I see USG. Nah, Raise, there was a bottom wick, my boy. We got a 10 pip bottom wick and we put a buy stop. I was thinking about off the rip though, I'm not gonna lie, but I thought there might be a fake out opportunity, so I didn't go for that. But chat, today is what, the 25th? This is how I journal my trades, just for the stream and signals. So we go for, it's in the American date for some reason. I hate that, but it is what it is. 2024, that trade was a London trade. I meant, oh, a little early trade. My bad. Yeah, Raise, bro. I know. A little early one. We've been getting them recently a lot. The little early trades. Just came at work right now. Nah, all good. Breakout, flip, 1 hour. Risk was full. Secured 22 pepperonis. W adds it to the stats. What's the stats looking at? 30 wins now. That was our 30th win for the stream and signals, guys, chat. GG's. GG's. 500 pips secured. We'll take it. We'll take it. Trade 8. Trade 8. You mean for the thing? Oh, yeah. I need to change that, right? Wait, no. I did trade that, no? Yeah. Alright, cool. Good stuff, chat. And look at this rejection. So, good. Whoa, that's a big rejection. I can't lie. SG, do you take a screenshot of trading view? Yeah, for the other journal badge, I do. Yeah, I do. Are you staying longer? Yeah, I'll stay on for a bit. We can we can watch the market. We'll see if we get another trade. If something perfect forms, I'll take it. If it doesn't, then I won't. Obviously, we'll stay for a little bit longer. Why not? Why not? Enjoy your guys' company. Yeah, you did. All right, good. Full victory sense. Thank you for that. No, I appreciate it, the reminder as well. We chilling. We chilling. Yeah. That was a textbook trade though, chat. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, great trade. 10 out of 10. Appreciate it, Gene. I appreciate it. Make sure you are subscribed and you have dropped a like. If you didn't drop a like, then what are you doing? Realistically, we just jumped on, did the analysis, grabbed you a trade and a win. Yeah, so drop a like. Let's try to get to 100 likes right now. We were at 160 viewers when that trade came in. We're at 110 right now. Pip and dippers are crazy, but we're smashing it, chat. Perfect trade, 0 drawdown. Yeah, I know. Yeah, GG's. Oh, chat, yeah, victory settings, you're right. Road to 2K subs, you know, chat. We're growing, so I'm kind of scared. I'm not gonna lie. We're about to hit it before the end of April. It looks like we're about to hit it before the end of April. I never thought we would because we were miles away. We were miles away, but now we might hit that. I can't lie. We might hit that. SG, bro, I can't hold more than 2 pips. DK, did you close that early or what? You closed that early? That's crazy. Can't be doing that. You don't believe in the boy or what? See, chat, look at this now. This rejection was what a closure. Come on, what a closure. We would have got a break even here just now, probably. Oh, we're about to. Now we got the 20. Good stuff. Good stuff, DK. Good stuff, yeah. I'm trying to get you your... That's your quota now for 10 days. You can slack off for 10 days. You got your 2 pip quota for 10 more days. Chillin'. 2K subs. Think I started watching in February less than 100. Bro, crazy. Yeah, you're right. We were on less than 100 in February. Real crazy stuff, chat. Real crazy stuff. Near perfect close win. Yeah, not quite perfect, but nearly. But that's all that matters, right? That would have been, realistically, with spreads, probably break-even hit right now. So, yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. I can't lie, chat. I'm pretty happy with that trade. GG's to you all. I need to message my editor to get a video made of that real quick. Does it go more high? It could do. The issue is now, if you're looking for it to go higher, if you're trapped in buys or whatever it is, we've tapped the level that we needed to tap realistically. So at any given point, this can rip down. The 4-hour could flip, whatever. You know, the daily technically is still bearish. So, you know, you have to be careful here. So it could do, but it could also just, you know, completely drop. So you have to wait and see, right? You have to wait and see here. Yes, we're gonna hit that. More giveaways. Yeah, true. I was pretty certain that we weren't going to hit it. I can't lie. I was very, very certain that we weren't going to hit it. But it looks like we might. So, GG's. We're actually 200 subs off 2K, chat. So, make sure you're subbed if you aren't already. If we hit 2K by the end of April, I'm giving away a shitload of funded accounts. And yeah. Don't know, skitty ting. Bro, I'm not reading that. That's crazy. John 9 sent you a chat on the cord. Yeah, I got you, bro. I got you. SG bro, natty or not? That's the question on everyone's minds, isn't it? Let me just message this this editor real quick. Also took another Wednesday, so can you get a vid of that out too? Cool. Yeah, got that done. Nice. Alpha subs, yeah. We need. Are you gonna take the 4-hour flip, or next one will bring it all down? I don't know, bro. The 4-hour flip could bring it down, maybe. There's only 40 minutes left in this 4-hour though, so it might be a little bit difficult. We've already taken the trade that we wanted to take, right? We've already taken our 22 pips. I need to change that actually. I put 23 pips. Yeah, we gotta be careful here. We don't get accused of stuff. 23 pips instead of 22. Jeez, I might be yeah, crazy. Can't be doing that. And 1% to get the phase 2 again. Holy jeez, yeah. Goldie passed the Goldie received the giveaway account and passed phase 2, and then they said that he passed it too quick or some shit, so they made him redo it, and now he's about to pass phase 2 again. Drop your risk now though, Goldie. Drop your risk in case that it goes wrong, because you took that trade and that got you like 3% or whatever, then that's quite a big risk. What's good, Baron? How we doing? What's good? Let's go, you got this. Yeah, you got it, Goldie. Yep. No, it's all good. It's a good trade. But yeah, drop the risk a little bit. I always say, like, when you get near to the end of the target, then just drop the risk. Like, you may as well. Why not? How can you make the target too fast? That makes no sense. I'm killing it on my 50k fund and starting to think I need to start 100k. Yeah, run it. Run it, Jules. Alpha Capital, code SG. No, actually, use if you want to get 100k, now is probably your time, I'm not going to lie. So go to this link, right? Sign up with my link for ACG if you haven't already. And then use their code on the Discord. It gives you 35% off. I'd rather you use that than my code. Obviously, I won't get anything from it, but that doesn't matter. I want you to get the biggest discount. 35% off on a funded account is huge. It's absolutely massive. Baron, you had the perfect exit. Glad to hear it, bro. Glad to hear it. Well done. Well done. Chat, did you lot all close at the top with me there, or what did you do? Did you guys take the trade already? Yeah, we just took buys up to the top of this range. We took 22 pips just now. Very clean trade. How long did that last, chat? That trade can't have lasted longer than like 2 minutes. Yeah, 2 minutes 54 seconds that trade was. Crazy. Crazy. Interesting chat from Crypto Maniac over here. Head and shoulders. Dogecoin chat. Crazy. Ranko, what's good? Gold. Let's see. Yeah, bro, you got the same levels as me, right? Yeah, you're chilling. This is the trade we just took now to the top of this range up here. Perfect. Absolutely perfect, bro. What you can do now is if we start to close back into this range down here below 23.20, you can grab those sells. Yeah. That's a perfect chart, bro. Absolutely perfect chart. I like it. Chat, if you're not in the Discord, make sure you're already in. When you join the Discord, you've got to click on the emoji in the verify channel. A lot of people don't know how to verify, but you got to click on this emoji here, and it will give you all the roles that you need. So yeah. Good stuff though, chat. W day today, W morning. Congrats. What's the 35 discount code? I believe it's Alpha for life. I think that's what it is. Passed my 25k Apex futures with this trade. Got 1.2% on my 50k challenge. Bro, GG's. Chat, how many percent or what did you get on your accounts with that trade? Tell me. If you took the trade on your accounts, let me know. I want to post a little thing about that. I got 9 pips. Good stuff, Navman. Good stuff. That's a cool name, by the way, Navman. I like it. 29 pips. We back. Good stuff, Baron. Good stuff. John. Bro, I don't know how to pronounce your name. Apologies. Congrats on passing your 25k Apex. That's GG's. GG's. 1.2%. 0.7%. Nice. Got to eat. I'm out. Yeah. Good stuff. All good, bro. All good. Catch you later, man. Go eat. Go buy some food with the trade that we just caught. I'm joking. 7%. Crazy. That's a big trade. Careful with your risk on that one, though. Try not to be over-risking. Try not to be over-risking. Risk 1% made 0.22. Yeah, fair enough. That's, did you close a little early? I don't know. We, what did we get here? We got stops were below here. We got a 0.5 RR, so if I risked 1%, I got... Yeah, 0.5%. Crazy. Why was that so difficult for me to do the maths there? Crazy. Chat, look at this 1 hour, though. We've grabbed liquidity now, and we're starting to push back down, so I'm very, very glad that we got out of that trade. Very, very glad. That's a very good exit for us. Massive exit, actually. Yeah, we don't want to be in that. We don't want to be in that. So, this can, for all we know now, this can come down. Did I just move this or what? Was this here? Yeah. For all we know, this can come down now and start to flip because the daily is overall bearish, right? So look at this. The daily, if this daily starts to flip, then you know we're looking at continuation to the downside. So yeah. Bro, if it closes below the range 23.25, would it be a good sell? Yeah, I think it would, bro. Honestly, I think it would. Just $30 account. Ah, okay, all good, all good. I got you. Yeah, Neil, welcome to the chat, by the way. But yes, I think it would be a good trade because, listen, I'm not advising you guys take this. It's your trade. It's your trade. But we've grabbed liquidity now. If we start to close below the level, we should continue downwards. It's a similar move to what we did just here. All right, we filled this range and then continue to come down. Yeah, but we closed half at 10 pips, mate. Oh, you're right, Jules. You're right. My bad. Yeah. Okay. You're right. You are right. I didn't think about that. All good, though. Yeah, still a W, but yeah. Fair enough. Mr. Graham, good morning. Welcome back. Welcome back. I remember that name. I remember thinking what a funny name that is. Yeah, SG, in what chat did they send you the charts? If you go into the Discord, it's in charts for stream here. Charts for stream. So it's this one. I need to change this emoji real quick, but yeah, this one. So if you don't have all the access to these channels, just click verify and you should have the access. But yeah. What's Eugene sent in here? Is this going to be safe for work? Crazy, this guy. Crazy. Yeah, Drew, what's good? What's good? How are you? Who else has sent a chat in just now? Kareem, what's good? Did you take the trade, Kareem, or nah? I like your chart there. It's good. What's this level at 23.12 from? Is this I mean, I understand this level, but 23.12, is that to the left? Oh, it might be a 15-minute level, I don't know. Morning reminder, yes sir. Yes sir. Big dubs today though, chat. I can't lie. I'm happy with that trade. If we do start to close below, listen, I'm not going to take this because, I mean, we just took a win, right? The worst thing that you could do is make that turn into an L, but yeah. How are the guys with the funded giveaways doing? Yeah, that's a good point. So Goldie, like I just said, Goldie actually passed his funded. And then they thought that he was algo trading or some shit because his trade time was under 20 minutes. Or, oh no, they thought he traded news or something, which he didn't. So I need to actually speak to them about that, but he passed it, and now he's 1% away from passing it again. So yeah, and then in terms of the other people, I'm not sure. I think everyone's in profit. Ranko, I think, is doing well. I think you're in profit, right? And yeah, the other people, I'm not sure. But that's a good point, actually. Average time of the trades, yeah, it must be more than 2 minutes. Yeah. Yeah. That's what they told me. Yeah, I know. I understand. Very nice. We haven't been playing Pump It Up. What's going on, G? Oh yeah, bro. True. True. We played it yesterday for the intro, but you're right. I should have played it in that trade. Maybe we would have got a million pips. A million pips, you know. Wow, 1-to-1 really makes sense most of the time. Do you agree? Yeah. I mean, I don't really care about RR, to be honest. But that trade was pretty much a 1-to-1 RR if we let it hit full TP at the top of the range. But we wouldn't have actually hit full TP if we would have done what most traders do and go, I'm not closing until 1-to-1 RR, then we would have got stopped out right now. So, you know. What's good, not Wix9? What's good? Buy it again. Probably not, to be honest, mate. Probably not. We just closed below on the 30 here. That's interesting. It's part of your trade, then take it. Sells below, whatever. I'll probably wait for the hourly if you wanted it, that trade. But yeah, chat. Realistically, we're going to be done here. We can either play some pixel letters and jump off early, or I'll stay on for a little bit. But either way. W day. To be fair, my stop loss was 20 pips, so yeah, fair enough then. Good stuff. Where was your stop loss? Below here? Nah, it's still quite far. Someone say pixel letters, maybe. Yesterday we stayed on stream till 12. Now we're already done by 9. This is the life as a trader, right? This is the life of a trader. Absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. Thanks, 2 minute, $150. Yeah, all good. All good. Bonjour, bro, I'm back. What's good, Khalid? How are you? Welcome back. Chat, leave a like if you haven't already. Let's try pump this stream up a little bit. We got the trade and all that good stuff, but yeah, we need to run the socials up a little bit as well. Romez, what's good? Oh, chat, pumping here. Pumping. But yeah, literally the perfect close as always, right? We would have got stopped out break even there. So had we have just gone break even and left runners, we would have got stopped out. So that's one of the points where you have to kind of go, you know, is it worth getting, you know, closing half and going break even, or do you just take the full closure? It's interesting, right? I'm gonna record a video for Instagram. 1 sec. Give me literally a second. Right, chat, my bad, I'm back. Apologies. I had to do a bit of marketing real quick. Had to do a little bit of marketing real quick. But yeah, how's everyone doing, chat? How is everyone doing? You lot gonna continue to trade for the rest of the session or what? I'm back, Enric. What's good? Willkommen. Welcome back, River. Welcome back. We call it here, chat? Do you want to play some pix letters? What are you interested in here? What are you interested in? What's the move for you guys? I'm happy to stay on a little bit longer. I need to know. I need to actually figure out when I'm going to the gym today and all that stuff. I'm meant to be filming. But yeah, crazy chat, crazy. Good start to the morning. Yes, pixel letters. All right, we'll play a bit of pixel letters and we'll do Bugatti giveaway. You know, crazy. The Bugatti giveaway. Yeah, cool. All right, chat. We'll jump on some pixel letters. If you took that trade with me, then GG's. If not, then we'll catch the next one, right? We'll catch the next one. The most important thing is whether you understand the trade or not. The education and the understanding and the skill is the most important thing. The trades will continue to come forever, right? So yeah, don't worry about that at all. Are you trading only on the 1 hour? I trade on the 30-minute, sometimes the 15, mostly the 30 and the 1. Broker ID pass giveaway. Yeah. Maybe. What's good, Jar? How we doing, bro? How we doing? Welcome. Well, not welcome, but welcome back. Morning. How we doing, brother? Chat, that makes us, what, 9-0 on streams right now? 8-0 if you don't count break-evens. Overall in the signals as well. What we're looking at in the signals, we're looking at the loads. 35 and 3. 94% win rate this April. 92% win rate this year. It's crazy. DP smash, no Diddy. Crazy. Absolutely no Diddy. Cool, chat. I'm gonna be posting a lot more on TikTok as well recently. So if you don't follow me on there, make sure you go and follow me. It's just at Trendlines, of course. I'm trying to run that up too. Also X as well. If you want to get X, that's the same thing. Thanks for the stream, big win. Yeah, appreciate it, Tommy. Appreciate it. My pleasure. My pleasure. Chat. Let's play some pixel letters right now. Let's see what we've got. Let's see what we've got. I need your guys' help though right now. I need I've just clutched up on a trade. I need you guys to catch up on yeah. Clutch up, sorry, on the pixel letters. Jar, are you in this trade? Nah, we took the trade and we took profits at 22 pips, sorry, and then yeah, we're out. We're fully out. Undefeated champ. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Look at pound yen, it's flying. gbpjpy. Is that an all-time high? It must be, right? This thing has only ever been going up, I swear. Because the yen is such a strong currency. It only ever goes up. If you just bought like months ago, you'd be chilling. But yeah, chat. Let's just do the pixel letters. What are we looking at here? Team trend lines on top, as always, chat. As always. Big GG Sigma, you know. That's a crazy guess. Is that even actually a word? Yeah, it is. It is. That's a mad guess, Josh. That's an absolutely mad guess. What are we looking at there? Site. Yeah, site is what it is. I was just thinking that. Sounds crazy. I was just thinking that, but I actually was. Will you be here tomorrow too? Yes. Every single day, 8:30 a.m. UK time. Every single day. Make sure you don't miss it. Subscribe so you don't miss it. 8:30 a.m. every single day, and then yeah. Cool chat. So what do we have here? Is it like SLA? Flappy. I don't know. Every day, you're my boss. I'm not your boss, bro. I'm one of your friends. I'm one of your friends, not your boss. Yeah, it's a good one. That's a good guess. What is that? Shark? Yeah, good guess, Spion. I like it. I like it. But Josh got the assist there and the dub on the one before. We'll play the last one and then we'll hop off, boys. Bit of a quick stream, so apologies if you wanted to stay on all morning, but why would we not? Why would we not just call it? We took the dub, did what we needed to do, and yeah, we'll jump off right now. Josh clutching up today. Yeah. What's this one? Crazy. Crossbar, yeah. Crossbar. Nah, that's a nice little through ball just there. Nice little through ball. What's the guess here, chat? What's the guess? Why is my chat frozen? Crazy, chat. I feel like I don't have much to say now that we took a dub. Do Diddy, bro. No Diddies. Only 4 guesses. Yeah, no, 4 guesses is crazy. This is the ultra hard mode. Could be an S again to start. STOP. Stops. It could be a G. Could be a C. After. Oh. I struck out there, Josh. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so it still could be an S to start with, or it could be an O. So now we know that. What do we know here? This middle letter is probably either an I or a. Skied it, yeah. Either an I or a T, probably. So now it only shows you one line at a time, so you have to sort of add the picture up together. This is like the ultra hard mode. This middle letter could be F then. That could be an F. This 4th one. I don't get that game. Basically, it's Wordle, but you have to essentially, if there's the pixel there, then if the pixel's green, then a pixel from that letter down here is in that space. You know what I mean? But if it's red, then it can't be that letter. So, for example, it couldn't be a D right now because this pixel is red here. Yeah. Style can't be style because of this this thing here. I'm thinking STO F or P. STOF. Soft. Now, what could this word be? It doesn't have to be a. It doesn't have to be a store. A good guess, Jar. I'm not gonna lie. It's a good guess. I like it. Okay, so we're getting closer here, chat. We're getting closer. Stuff. Stuff is a good guess. Does it work? It does work. It's got to be stuff, right, chat? That's a good guess, Muzamal. That's a good guess. We've only got one guess left. Do we fire it in? Yeah, this could be our first ever pixel letters loss. I need what is it? I need hang on, let me find something. I need some what's the tension sound effect? I need we need to build some dramatic effect. It's too long. Oh, fuck it. Chat, we'll send it. GG's to Muzammar there. Muzammar Rashid. Big win for you, my boy. Big dubs. You open up the cheat menu. Yeah. Alright, GG's, chat. 100% win rate on pixel letters continues. And on stream. Crazy. Crazy. Cool, chat. We're going to call it there. Listen, when the market gives you the opportunity to take some money from it in the morning, it's impolite not to accept that and then call it a day. You know, I like to think of it that way. It's greedy. The market's giving you a nice little opportunity. It's like a God from above, right? It's giving you a blessing. You wouldn't ask God for another blessing after He already gives you one, right? So we don't want to take too much. So yeah, we'll call it a day. Be grateful for what you just received, and yeah, good stuff. Well done, chat. Well done. DJ, drop that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm running out of tunes, chat. You need to send me oh, chat. That's another idea. That's another idea. Let me make a music chat. Let me make a music chat for stream. That is elite. Music for stream. You lot can send in songs. Make sure that Eugene, you keep sending Morrison in. Morrison's sad, I swear. You keep sending that. We're not playing sad songs. We're playing. Alright, the rule is going to be no UK drill. No sad songs. Positive hype songs only. Okay? Cool. Alright, chat. Much love. Good stream today. I appreciate you all very, very much. It was a banger stream. Yeah, not much else we can say. Go and enjoy your day. If you're trading in New York, then trade responsibly. Zoom, I'll catch you all later. Peace out. Humble is motivational, trust me. Okay, Eugene, I'll trust you. I'll trust you. Same time tomorrow. Yes, sir. 8:30 a.m. UK time, as always. And yeah, guys, catch you in a bit. Peace out. Much love. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.